The Amphibious Assault Vehicle, or AAV, is a bulky amphibious tracked vehicle intended to land troops on open beaches. The AAV7A1 is the latest model and had been in service since the early 1970s. Designed to assault any shoreline from the well decks of Navy assault ships, AAVs are highly mobile, tracked armored amphibious vehicles that transport Marines and cargo to and through hostile territory. But as of now, the Marine Corps has permanently pulled amphibious assault vehicles from regularly scheduled deployments due to concerns over vehicle safety and resources allocation. History and background. The AAV7A1 is the latest assault amphibian in a series that started with the Roebling Alligator. The first Gators were a disappointment in that the water speed was only 2.5 miles per hour. The land speed was 25 miles per hour. So in 1940, Roebling built a new model, which was designated the Crocodile. The Crocodile had a land speed of 25 miles per hour and a water speed of 9.4 miles per hour. Over time, the speed, armaments, and armor of the vehicle would be improved, leading to the LVT-1, a slight improvement over the earlier Crocodile model. Being heavier, the land speed of the LVT-1 was 18 miles per hour, and the water speed was 7 miles per hour. This version of the sea and land vehicle would go on to inspire several variations, including the LVTA-1, LVTA-2, and LVTA-5. Until finally, in 1984, the vehicle was redesignated from the LVTP-7 to the AAV-7A1, the family of amphibious vehicles that would play a significant role in U.S. Marine Corps operations for the next 2 decades. General characteristics. The AAV-7 has a crew of 3, including commander, gunner, and driver. The capacious troop compartment of the AAV-7 can accommodate up to 25 Marines or around 4,500 kilos of supplies. The troops are seated on benches, the entry and exit being via a large rear-mounted ramp or roof hatches. The AAV-7 is launched at sea from amphibious assault ships. This armored vehicle is self-deploying. It is intended for a forced entry into the semi-aquatic areas. The main task of the vehicles during an amphibious assault is to spearhead a beach and to secure coastline for ongoing troops. Once ashore, the AAV-7 can operate alongside other armored vehicles. Its functions include guarding checkpoints, patrolling, and carrying troops and supplies further inland. Design, features, and capabilities. The AAV-7 is 8.1 meters long, 3.27 meters wide, and 3.3 meters tall. It weighs around 25,000 kilograms. The vehicle is characterized by its boat-like bow, wheeled tracked system, and slab-sided hull superstructure. The vehicle was given 6 double-tired road wheels to a track with the drive sprocket at the front and the track idler at the rear. The front hull hold a well-sloped raised underside and near-horizontal glacis plate, leading up to the flat hull superstructure roof. The rear facing has a power-operated large rectangular door for unloading troops and supplies via the door-turned ramp at speed. There is also a smaller nested door within the door ramp assembly for a more protected entry-exit. The driver seats at the front left of the hull with the vehicle commander to his rear. The AAV-7 are fitted with Enhanced Applique Armor Kit, or EEAK. This armor provides protection against the firing of small arms up to 14.5 millimeters and 155 millimeters shell splinters. Engine, mobility, and combat equipment. Originally, the AAV-7 was powered by a Detroit diesel 8V53T 8-cylinder, water-cooled, diesel-fueled, turbocharged, developing 400 horsepower at 2,800 RPM. This engine provided up to 64 kilometers per hour. With the modernization and upgrades, a Cummins VT400 is installed on the latest version AA7A1. The transmission is assured by an HS400 with a hydraulic torque converter, 4 forward and 2 reverse gears. On road, AAV7 can speed up to 72 kilometers per hour. On water, it can use either water jets allowing up to 13 kilometers per hour or its own tracks with 7 kilometers per hour speed. The AAV7 has an operational range of about 480 kilometers. The AAV7 is filled with 8 smoke grenade launchers mounted on the turret. It can be fitted with an Mk-154 mine clearance launcher that can deploy 3 linear demolition chargers from the water or land. Variants of the AAV7. The latest version of AAV7A1 have 3 variants. AAVP7A1, or the personnel. This is the most common AAV, as it carries a turret equipped with an M2HB 12.7mm heavy machine gun and a Mk19 40mm automatic grenade launcher. It is capable of carrying 21 combat-equipped Marines, in addition to the crew of 4. AAVC7A1, or the command variant. This vehicle does not have a turret, and much of the cargo space of the vehicle is occupied by communications equipment. AAVR7A1, or the recovery variant. This vehicle also does not have a turret. It is considered the wrecker, as it has a crane as well as most tools and equipment needed for field repairs. After more than 2 decades of services, the Marine Corps has permanently pulled amphibious assault vehicles from regularly scheduled deployments due to concerns over vehicle safety and resources allocation. The Marine Corps announced they had selected the BAE systems for the Amphibious Combat Vehicle, or ACV program, to supplement and ultimately replace the AAV.